Are you someone who wants to learn data analytics but is too confused about where to start? If yes, then this video is surely for you. Because EMA Academy's Data Analytics course is designed to make learning so simple so that you can explore this amazing field all at your own pace without getting too overwhelmed. You will get step-by-step guidance, working on real data sets, case studies, industry projects and more, all by using SQL, Power BI, Python, and by the end, you will have all the skills to make data-driven decisions and analyze data with too much confidence. With data-driven skills, you can step into industries like healthcare, education, finance, technology, media, and many more, where data-driven professionals are in high demand. Whether you want to upskill, switch careers, or update your resume, this is exactly the right chance and right opportunity for you to up your data analytics game under the right guidance. So, do not let confusion stop you from realizing your dreams. Click on the link given below to start a life-changing career experience today.